Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel, and today I've got two new Target beauty boxes for the month of May to go through with you. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Also hit that little bell notification so you know when I post. And yeah, now let's get into the boxes. So like I said, there were two boxes this month. The first one is just your typical Target beauty box, but the other one is a little something different. It's the Sonia Kashuk Target box, which I thought was really cool. Both of these boxes are different than what they had last month though. I actually do have one of the boxes right here. This is what the boxes looked like last month, and if you watched that video that I made on this, I said that you could buy these in store. I don't know that you could buy the May ones in store, so that might have just been something that Target was trying out last month to see how it goes. If it went well, maybe they will continue to offer them in store, but I had not heard that these were offered in store, just so you know. All right, let's go ahead and we're gonna go through the regular box first, and then we will go through the Sonia Kashuk one. But this is just, you know, your typical Target box. Oh, and I should also mention that I believe both of these cost $7 a piece, which is not bad. And the Target beauty box releases just about once a month, and I honestly don't know if there's an actual schedule as to when these are released. It's usually like the first few days within the month. I'm not sure if it's a specific day. I usually just find out about them on Instagram. They used to sell out super fast, but I feel like they've been lasting a little bit longer. If these are still available, I will go ahead and link to them down below. I'm honestly not sure at this point, but I know back a couple of years ago when these were really popular, they would sell out very quickly within the first couple of hours. If you guys have been around on my channel for a while, you might remember that I used to always purchase these, but then about a year and a half ago or so, I feel like the Target boxes changed and they just weren't worth the money to me. This one is, and I will show you why. But I just felt like they weren't worth the money. You were getting a lot of like foil packets and stuff, and they were $5 or $7 a month, and I was just like, I don't really need that stuff. It's not anything new or exciting, but I was really excited about these. The ones that I had last month were pretty good, and I think I even purchased the ones back in January. So, you know, they've been a little bit hit or miss this year, but I feel like there have been more good boxes than bad boxes, which is exciting because maybe they realized that the stuff that they had been offering just wasn't great, and so they're getting back into doing some of the better boxes, which is awesome. All right, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and open the box. So when you open the box here, there is a little card, and it's got all of the different products on the back, and it's got a coupon for $3 off any beauty purchase of $15 or more, cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. This is a nice coupon. I really like using these. And now in last month's boxes, the ones that you could purchase in store, they had a ton of coupons, but they were brand specific. I prefer ones like these because even if I didn't like something in the box here, I didn't want to go and purchase something from here. If I'm going and I need to purchase some shampoo or anything, I can still use the coupon, so that's nice. I really enjoy having those. All right, now let's get into the box. Like I said, this was $7, and the thing that really drew me into this box was this little cleansing stick from St. Ives. Now I actually purchased this myself maybe about a month ago, and I've been using this pretty consistently in the shower, and I love it. I think it's awesome. So I've been wanting to talk to you guys about this, and I was thinking I was going to have to wait to my empties video, but I highly recommend this. And I think there are 3 or 4 different ones that they have in this line, and this is actually the one that I purchased myself. This is the cactus water and hibiscus cleansing stick, and like I said, I really like it. So as soon as I saw that this, a full-size product, was in this box, and this probably retails for $5 on its own, and the whole thing was $7, and you get a lot of extra stuff. I knew it had to be worth it for me because I really enjoy using this. It's just like your basic cleansing stick. You know, you take this little part off and then you just kind of rub it around your face, you know, either in the shower or at your sink when you're washing your face. I really like it. I think it does a really nice job of cleansing my skin. It's really nice and hydrating. Like I said, there are a couple of different kinds, and this one is meant to be hydrating. So if you're looking for a new cleanser, I really like that one. All right, so moving on then to the next thing in the box, which is not something that I've tried from this brand, but I have tried this particular kind of hair scrunchie before. These are from the brand Scrunchie, and these are their scrunchie spirals. There's those little weird like springy like head or hair tie things. I got some, I think either in an Allure beauty box or a Sephora beauty box a few years ago, and I've since lost those, but I did like them. So I'm happy to have a few more back in rotation. You know, you always lose them, but I'm happy to have a few more for at least, you know, the time being, and hopefully those ones work. I remember really enjoying the other ones that I had. And then also for hair in this box, we got a dry shampoo. You guys know I absolutely love dry shampoo. This one is from OGX, and this is the Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. I've not tried this before, and this is clearly not a full size, but it's still a pretty decent size, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then here's something from Soap and Glory. This is the Scrub of Your Life. Now this is a body buffer, super smoothing body buffer. I'm actually using a body scrub from them in the shower right now, but it is not this one. I didn't realize that they had more than one, so I'm excited to give this one a try and see what I think about this one compared to the other one. I don't remember what the other one is called, but it's definitely not the Scrub of Your Life. Let me see. Yeah, this one is more of like a clear gel kind of thing. I don't know that you'll really be able to see it, but the one that I'm using is like more of, I don't know, it's kind of like brownish. It's got a lot of like, maybe it's like brown sugar scrub maybe? I don't know. But I do really like that one, so I'm excited to give that one a try too, see how it differs. All right, then here is the next thing from La Roche-Posay. This is the Lipicar Balm AP Plus Intense Repairing Moisturizing Cream. All right, I've heard of La Roche-Posay. I maybe used one or two products from them, just from different subscription boxes, but I know this is one of the more expensive skincare lines that they carry at Target. But I'm pretty sure I've never used this before, so let's go ahead and see. I don't think this has SPF, which you guys know I am nuts over, so you will have to wear some extra SPF on top of that. Sorry if I'm talking really fast. I'm going to try and slow it down. Sometimes I just kind of get in the groove, you know? There's like no scent at all with that, which is nice. It's really, really thick. Really, really moisturizing. I like the feel of that, so I'm excited to give that a try. I just wish it had a little SPF, but you know, you win some, you lose some. I can always add some extra. And then I think there's still two more things in the box, and like I said, this whole thing was $7, and with that full-size St. Ives stick, totally worth it. Here's something that we will definitely be using. I guess I could even pair it with this La Roche-Posay. This is from Neutrogena. It is the Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen, SPF 55. Definitely something I will be throwing in my purse so that I can just keep some SPF on hand at all times, because that's really something that's very important to me. I've dealt with a lot of skin cancer scares. I've gotten 20 plus moles removed now at this point, so I'm always looking to wear sunscreen. I always like to put it on my kids if we're going to be outside for a long time as well, so having just like a nice little purse-sized bottle of it is perfect for me. And then here is the last product in the box, and this is from Free and Lovely by Bodycology, and it is the Lavender and Amber Refreshing Mist. So I believe this is just like a body spray, which is kind of cool. I don't usually love getting perfume samples in subscription boxes, but this is actually a decent sized spray, and I don't know that I've ever gotten anything like this in a Target box, so that's kind of cool. Hopefully it smells good. That would be the true test. Let me go ahead and spritz a little bit. I was really hoping to like it. It smells kind of like candy. Oh gosh. I was really kind of excited about this. The notes are lemon peel, lavender, creamy amber, vanilla, iris, and with lavender essential oils. I feel like I'm just smelling the vanilla, unfortunately, and vanilla is not my favorite type of scent in general. It's got a strange scent, I gotta say. With lemon peel being the first note listed here, I felt like it was going to be like more of a summery, citrusy kind of thing. And it's not. Maybe if I mix it with something, it might be better. I don't know. I'll have to give it a little bit of a chance, but it's just definitely not what I was expecting with that box. All right, so that perfume might have been a little disappointing initially. I still think the box is really awesome. I mean, especially because this is like $5 on its own, and you got all the other stuff, the dry shampoo, the scrub, moisturizer, these scrunchy things, the hair, or the sunscreen, and the body mist. Totally worth $7 in my opinion. I was really excited about that box. But now let's go ahead and open the other one. This one is, again, from Sonia Kashuk, which is a brand that you can buy at Target exclusively. I'm pretty sure it's exclusive to Target. And I thought this was a really exciting idea for the box. A couple of years ago, they did do like a L'Oreal exclusive box, but I believe it's been a few years since they've done like an exclusive box like this, though I could be wrong. Maybe I just missed it. or something, or I didn't see it, but I don't remember another one. But here's the card. It's got all the different information about the products, and this is, it comes with a coupon as well, and this is $3 off any Sony Kashuk purchase of $15 or more. So this one is brand specific, but it makes sense because this is a brand specific box. All right, so then opening up the box here, you've got quite a few different products to play around with. Here's the first one, and I am super, super excited to try this. This is their makeup blending sponge, and it's huge. It looks absolutely massive. It looks like it would be already wet, but it's not, because it's clearly still in the package. But let me go ahead and pull it out, and we'll just kind of see how squishy it is. I'm not gonna get it wet right now, and we'll just see how it compares to a dry beauty blender or Real Technique sponge. Oh, it's flat. This is definitely a different shape than I was thinking. I was expecting an egg, but it was covered up with the packaging. All right, so that's different and unique. I mean, I guess it'll work. And it is squishy. It's quite squishy, which is nice. You know what? I do have a sink right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get it wet, and we'll see if it expands and see how soft it gets after I wet it. So here it is wet now, and it did expand quite a bit. You can see that it does not fit in its little container anymore. So yeah, and it is nice and squishy. It feels a lot like the Real Technique sponge. So I am very excited to use that. I love makeup blending sponges. That's typically how I apply my foundation. So I think that'll be really fun to try. And then also in the box, we got a couple of brushes. I've used quite a few of the Sony Kashuk brushes in the past, and I've always really liked them. All right, this one is in a little wrapped bag, so let me go ahead and take this out. All right, so this is what this one looks like. This is the number 224 angled eyeshadow brush, and it comes with this handy dandy little plastic case, which is kind of cool if you're traveling. Oh, and this is wrapped too, so let me go ahead and unwrap it. This is kind of difficult to get open. Okay, there we go. All right, but that is like kind of cool and kind of handy to have, like a little travel protector kind of thing. But this is what the brush looks like. And it's kind of like a tapered angled brush there. It's like really kind of flat and fluffy. I could see this being good in the crease. And it feels nice. I will definitely give that a try. I love eyeshadow brushes. I love makeup brushes. They're just so much fun. So there's that brush, and then here's the other brush that we got. It also has a little protector case. That's kind of weird. All right, so this one opens at the top here, and you just kind of slide it out that way. All right, that's interesting. And this, what brush is this? This is the number 163 Essential Collection Blush Brush. Ooh, that is very soft, and it's quite fluffy. It's not very densely packed. So this would be good for like blending, I think too, like if your contour was like too hard and you wanted to just kind of soften the edges a little bit. Definitely good for blush as well. But yeah, that is just a really nice, very, very pretty, very pretty, I can't say brush. I keep wanting to say blush. This is just a very, very pretty blush, and I'm excited. I did it again. This is just a very, very pretty brush, and I'm excited to play with it. All right, next up in the box is something that's not super exciting, but is definitely something that I will use, and this is a little pair of tweezers. So let me go ahead and open this up. I can always use tweezers. I feel like I have a zillion of them, and I'm always misplacing them, so it'll be nice to just have another one floating around my house somewhere, I guess. And let's see what kind of head this has. I can't really see it in the package here. Okay, so these are going to be more of an angled tip. They're not going to be one of those super teeny tiny precise tip tweezers, which I do kind of prefer those ones, but these will definitely work in a pinch if I just can only find these. And it does come with a little cap, which is nice to keep them closed. And so if you're like, you know, rummaging around a drawer and you don't see them, they won't poke you. And then here's the last thing that came in the box, and you get 3 of them. And this is something that's kind of cool. I've never heard of this before, I don't think. This is the Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Instead of using like the spray or the color switch thing, they have like little disposable wipes, which is interesting. Now that I'm talking about them, maybe I have heard of these before. I don't know. I don't know. Have I used these before? Maybe not this brand. Maybe I had another brand of these before. I might have, now that I'm thinking about it. Either way, I'm excited to give these a try, and you do get 3 of them. I would assume when you buy them in stores or on their website, you get a pack of like maybe 12 or 20 of them. I'm not sure. But yeah, that is the Sonia Kashuk box. I think it's interesting that they didn't include any actual makeup. It's all like makeup tools. It is a project painter. I can't appreciate that because the last thing that I need is another small little eyeshadow palette that I probably will never use. But I have a feeling that I will use every single thing that came in that box, so that is definitely worth the $7 to me. A lot of their brushes even sell, like this one would probably sell for like $12 or $13 in store on its own. So this box and the other one as well were definitely well worth the $14 that I spent on this stuff total. Those were the 2 Target beauty boxes for the month of May. Again, I think Target is kind of starting to realize that they need to step them up again because they were really, really good a couple of years ago. Then they weren't, and now they're really starting to get pretty good again. So this could be dangerous for my wallet and for my makeup collection because I'm always tempted to buy these because they're so inexpensive and you get some cool stuff. But let me know if you guys are liking the Target beauty boxes lately, if there's anything that you liked in here. If there's anything that you've tried, let me know what you think about the products. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for a little bit today. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you know when I post videos. We can also connect on Instagram. I will have my handle linked down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!